kitchen utensil set. Our utensil sets have everything you need for a perfect cooking experience. Countless kitchen gadgets and accessories are made of a combination of nylon and stainless steel to ensure no scratching or sticking. Cooking utensils set includes soup ladle, solid spoon, solid turner, potato pusher, whisk grater, spatula, tongs, can opener, scream scooper, wine opener, peeler, measuring cups, measuring spoons. High-quality kitchen tools designed to last. No more worries about melting or rusty kitchen utensils. Our high-quality kitchen gadgets are polished with a special oil to prevent it from getting rusty. They are dishwasher safe, lightweight, and non-stick. Heat resistant is up to 350 180. Great value nylon and stainless steel utensil set. Don't spend a fortune buying each utensil individually. Buy yourself a complete kitchen tool set. Great gift idea. The Callan's kitchen utensils set come in a classy box ready to gift. Great for housewarming gift, new home, wedding gift, Mother's Day, holiday, and anyone else on your gift list. Apartment must-haves, dorm room essentials.